He was a leader who worked on foot not for position or money but for service. Kamaraj was born on July 15 in 1903 to Virudhunagar, Kumarasamy and Sivagami Ammal. The proverb, "A king is known as by this kingdom," truly fixed him. He took a part of many freedom struggles and brought many great plans for people. He opened a school saying, "Let us chase away the demon called hunger. Let us open the school to remove the darkness of the ignorance and give a light of knowledge." Though he wore only a dhoti and shirt, he made a three dance, Salanur, Lower Bhavani and Vaigai. He made a எப்பவுமே மனசுல ஒன்று வச்சுட்டு உடனே விஷயத்தை பார்க்க கூடாது. நம்ம ஜனங்க நல்லா இருக்கணும், நம்ம சந்ததி நல்லா இருக்கணும், அதான் முக்கியம். உடனே இந்த திட்டத்தை செயல்படுத்தி ஆகணும்.